My name is Emay, owner and founder of Jehucal, the London-based clothing label. I went to Kent from 2015 to 2019 studying accounting and management. I couldn't afford to buy the brands that I liked when I was younger. I couldn't invest in brands like Supreme, Margiela, etc. And I also love fashion as well, so it was like, if I can't buy it, I want to make it myself, then have the brand that the kids in my school will be aspiring to buy pieces from. And on my personal statement, I stated that I'm coming to Kent to get the skills that I need to start my own company known worldwide. I'd started my brand in the first year of my degree, and then it was going well throughout that summer. I came back for second year and I found it really hard to balance running a brand and doing university. I had a really low attendance, it was like 20% in second year. And that's when I got told about Aspire. And when I joined that, it took my company more of a hobby to be an actual company now, where I've actually got put onto the company's house. I've got a business plan now. I'm actually doing things in a more structured way rather than saying, cool, I want to go and shop in Harrods today, let me go and sew a new t-shirt next week and have no plans for after that. So it was more structure, more forward thinking, and then just, maybe a lot better as a CEO. I think the most exciting moment in my career so far, I couldn't pinpoint it to one thing. There's been so many things that I was just like, wow, how do we do this? But I think it might be when I finished my last exam in 2019, and I walked out of my final exam thinking, cool, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna chill with the man there and play a bit of FIFA, etc. And I got an email an hour later saying, you've been picked to be at London Fashion Week, and you have 3 weeks to get ready to create an installation. And I was like, right, okay, no time off. Doing that 2 weeks of getting everything ready for the event was just so surreal, driving back and forth from my house to London to go and get things done, preparing for it, and that was very surreal for me, so yeah. The people that wear the brand is I don't really check who wears it because I'm very focused on just what I'm doing, but in terms of the most famous ones that I've seen wearing it or supporting the brand, I'm an Arsenal fan, so when Emile Smith-Rowe was wearing our grey tracksuit, that was another pinch me moment. I was like, wow, he's my favourite player in Arsenal, so I was just this is crazy. The benefits of KBS for me were that every day I went into a lecture, I could take back home my notes and implement that into my company straight away, whether that be how we look at merchandising or buying or accounting, etc. So to this day, I think the hardest thing for me right now is staff management, and that was part of my course. So I'm using stuff I learned from that to manage being a good CEO now. I've got 3 employees now, so it's I got to now manage people and a company. So it's I'm going back to my old notes. I'm going back to looking at textbooks to find out how do I maneuver this situation, or how do I plan for this, and how do I plan the hierarchy of my company, etc. So yeah, I'm still using my notes to this day, 4 or 5 years later.